Guys, you might have listened about brand awareness campaign, conversion campaign, lead gen campaign, sales campaign, because these are the universal type of campaigns and available on all major platforms like Google, Facebook, Twitter, Insta, even on LinkedIn platform as well. But you might haven't listened about job ads campaign, because this is not any other campaign type where you are trying to sell your product or services to the audience. This campaign type is the for the organizations who is looking for employers for their company or for their organization, right? And this campaign type is available only on LinkedIn platform, because as you know that LinkedIn is a professional platform and only professional audience uses LinkedIn platform. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to create job ads on LinkedIn, so that if you are also one of them who is looking for some high quality or good employers for their organization, then this campaign can help you. Also, there's one more thing to note, that job ads campaign is not that much costly compared to other conversion and brand awareness campaign on LinkedIn platform, right? So let's directly jump into the LinkedIn platform, that campaign manager, and create one job ads campaign. So guys, I have directly logged in into my campaign manager. You already know that how to access campaign manager. You can directly go to the advertise section in your LinkedIn account, and then you can click on the basically you'll be already redirect to the campaign manager, right? Now here you can see that we do have multiple campaign manager accounts, so I'll go with this one, which is the active one. And once I log in into my campaign manager, I'll be into the advertise section where I can create campaign group, new campaigns, and new ads. So basically you can create multiple campaign groups so that you can segregate all the campaigns in different categories, right? So basically campaign group is like a folder, and in that folder you can create multiple campaigns, right? And in that in on those campaigns, in those multiple campaigns, you can create multiple ads. So this is how the hierarchy works, right? Now let's create one new campaign group so that we can run our job ads, because the campaign groups we do have right now is for our services, is for our training, is for brand awareness, is for conversion, but not for the job ads, because we haven't run any job ads or job ad campaign in this particular account. So let's create one campaign group first. So I just need to click on this create button and then campaign group. Here I'll name this campaign group MFG Global Job Ads, right? The status will be active. The group objective will be job applicants, right? So this is what the group objective I have selected. As you can see, there are multiple other objectives like consideration, awareness, conversion, but in the conversion part I'll go with job applicants. Now the budget, I'll don't do anything with the budget and the start and end date, because I don't want to do this on a group level. I will individually set the all these settings in the campaign itself. So I'll just let them settings as it is and just hit the next create button, and your campaign group has been created. As you can see, the page has been refreshed automatically. Now let's find our campaign group in this list which we have created right now. Here it is, MFG job ads. Now we want to create a campaign under this campaign group, so we need to click on this plus campaign button, and when we click on plus campaign, we'll be into the campaign creation process. So first it is asking to select the campaign group, so we have already selected. Basically this is the campaign group is showing. If you want to change it, you can click here, otherwise hit the next button and you are into the campaign creation process. Now here you need to name this campaign. So again I'll write MFG Marketing Fundas Global Job Applicants and then the date, so that I can recognize like which campaign it is. Then here group objective is job applicants. Now we are into the audience section where we can do our targeting. So we can go with our saved audience whom we have used in our previous campaigns. So if you have run any job applicant campaign earlier, you can use that same audience if you have saved those audience, so you can use that same audience in this campaign as well, right? Otherwise you can go with the audiences option, which is templates basically directly from LinkedIn. So LinkedIn has already created some templates which you can use. Let's say you want the bachelor degree holders applicants only, so you can go with members with a bachelor degree, right? Let's say you want expertise in computer science, people who are experts in computer science, so you can go with expertise in computer science, corporate HR professionals, customer experience professionals. So these are the options you have, right? So this is kind of an automatic option. So you just need to select the audience and you are good to go. But we are going with the manual method where we will create our new audience. As you can see, create a new audience. So here, let's start with the process. First, we need to select the location. So I don't want to run my campaign in the whole country. I want to search some cities like New Delhi. So I'll go with the New Delhi and the nearby cities of New Delhi like Noida and then Gurugram. So these are all in the India itself. If you want to run your campaign in multiple cities from multiple countries, you can do that as well. If you want to advertise in multiple countries, you can do that as well, right? It is totally up to you. Whatever the location you want to select, you can go with. Now here one more option we do have, like we get two options: people who are recently in that location and permanently in that living in that location. You can target them. Either you can go with only permanently living in that location. So I want to go with the permanently living in that location. If they were the recent one, I don't want to target them, right? Now after this, if you want to exclude some of the locations, you can do that as well. Let's say I want to target whole Delhi except South Delhi part. So what I'll do is I'll search here South Delhi, and here I've select the South Delhi and done. So South Delhi has been added into the exclusion. Right now here you can select the language of your audience, which is English in my case. You can select any whatever the language suits your preference. Right after this, who is your target audience? So here we need to do the targeting. Basically we need to select the interests and their different attributes. Like you can target them on their company basis, their uh, location basis, their demographic basis. So tons of option are here. Like if I click on this edit button, this pencil icon, I can remove all these attributes which are by default. Let's remove all these by clicking on this button. Now you need to click on this audience attributes, and here are the options. Like you can go you can target on the basis of company, demographics, education level, job experience, and interest and traits. If I click on company, I'll see some subcategories as well. Like I can target on the basis of company category, company connections, followers of, growth rate, industries, name, revenue, size. Tons of option are there. Let's say I want to go on the basis of company name, and I'll write here TCS, which is Tata Consultancy Service. So I'll select this. I'll select this one as well. I'll select this one as well. Yeah, this much is enough. So I've selected Tata Consultancy Services, and my audience size is already 40 grands, 40,000. Right now I want to select another company, Wipro. So this is also one more. So I've selected Wipro. Then I'll go with Microsoft. Oops. Right after selecting Microsoft, I'll select the company. Then I'll go with Meta. I've selected the Meta as well, and then Google. So here I have done the targeting on the basis of the company, even company names. You can do your targeting on the basis of any different thing like company connection, company category. Now let's say I want to do I want to add targeting on the basis of company category as well, like Fortune 1000. This is US only, and Fortune 5000, it is also US only, right? So if you are running your campaign out of US, then you can't use this. You can use this worldwide options, right? And some are country specific as well, like Australia, Belgium, Brazil. So let's go with Canada. LinkedIn news editors top companies. So I'll select this one. So employees from LinkedIn's news editors top companies will be targeted, right? Now I'll go with the basis of demographics. So I can go with the basis of their gender. Like I want to target only male candidates, like this job application for only male or maybe for female. So I can do this that as well, right? But let's go with another customization, like another targeting, job experience, right? So in job experience, I'll go with job seniorities, and I'll go with senior Manager, director, VP, CXO, partner. Okay, only VP, right? We don't want to target CXO, partner, and owners. So these are the options we have selected, and the target audience, as we can see, is around 3.3 million. So it is good number of targeting. So yeah, this is what the targeting we have done. As you can see, we have done targeting on the basis of company names, company category, and job seniorities. Right, now after this, once you are done with the targeting, if you want, you can narrow it down as well. If you want, you can uh, do some exclusions as well. Right, it is totally up to you. Otherwise, you want to reset this audience. Let's say you have messed up with the targeting, you can reset it and again create your own audience. You can see the summary over here. You can save this audience by clicking here so that you can use this in future campaigns as well. So this is the button to save your audience. Like, I'll write here job ads. You can add the description as well. It is totally up to you. Right, I have saved the audience. Now we are into the ad format. So in ad format, we do have multiple options like single job, jobs, and single image or spotlight. So if you have multiple jobs, then you can go with this option. Here you can see attract relevant candidates to 2 or more jobs. And if you have only single job opening, then you can use this option. You can use single image option as well. And single image is not that much worthy for job ads, because single image, like any other ads type which appears in your timeline and in different areas, you might have seen. So these are mainly for brand awareness and conversion. But yeah, people do use single image as well, but I'll suggest you to go with this, but it is totally up to you. You might have already run single job or jobs, then you can go with single job as well. And then we do have spotlight as well. Right, so right now I'll go with the job, single job. Let's say, let's take a hypothetical situation that I have a job opening for uh, digital marketer in marketing fundas, the organization, right, which we do have. So I'll go with the single job opening. Now the placement, you can't do anything with the placement because job ads doesn't run on LinkedIn audience network. It is totally for LinkedIn only, so you can't do anything here. Now in the budget section, we do have 3 options. Set both daily and lifetime budget, where you can set the lifetime budget and the daily budget as well, where you can set, let's say you want to spend $200 a day but don't want to spend more than $5,000. So once the $5,000 reaches, the campaign will automatically stop. This is how it's done. Then the daily budget and then the lifetime budget. In lifetime budget, you need to set the campaign start and end date. Then you need to enter the lifetime budget so that LinkedIn can equally distribute the amount into the days you have selected. Then we do have this daily budget. So this is the basic one where you can just select the daily budget and the campaign start date. Even you can go with the start and end date as well. Right, so 2 options are here. I'll go with run campaign continuously unless I stop it manually. Right, and then after this budgeting, we do have this bidding option where you can set your optimization goal, campaign optimization goal. So according to the goal, the LinkedIn will optimize your campaign. Right, so right now it is LinkedIn page landing page clicks, but if you want, you can change it to impressions as well. Oops, it is, yeah, if you want, you can change it to impressions, but I'll recommend, and LinkedIn also recommend you to go with landing page clicks. Right, impression is like it will just try to bring the impressions as much as possible. Right, and LinkedIn doesn't guarantee you any click or any interaction or any kind of engagement. It will just try to bring you the impressions. Now in the bidding strategy, we do have 2 options: manual maximum delivery and the manual bidding. Right, so in maximum delivery, we can expect the maximum delivery, basically maximum uh, job applications. But in this strategy, LinkedIn will not think of the budget. It will spend budget as much as it can. But if you want to control your biddings, if you want to control your costing, then you can go with manual bidding, where you can set the cost per landing page click. Let's say you don't want to spend more than $2, so you can set it here, but the recommended one is 2.2 to $2.88 per landing page click. Yeah, LinkedIn is a bit costly, but this is what it is. Right, and if you are a new to LinkedIn, if you haven't run any ads campaign or any kind of other campaign on LinkedIn yet, so you can go with maximum delivery because you don't have any idea or don't have any experience about the costing on LinkedIn, right? So you can go with maximum delivery, and after gaining some experience, you can go with different strategies, right? After this, we do have conversion tracking. If you are running any conversion campaign like this is also a conversion campaign. You can set your conversion tracking, but right now we are not going with, or let's go with this one, although this is unverified. If you want to learn about the conversion tracking, you can watch a dedicated video in our playlist, although this is totally optional, right? Conversion tracking is like to track all the conversions properly. That's it, right? Now just hit the next button after adding all the information properly. We are into the next step. Our campaign is done. Now we need to create the ad, right? So we don't have any existing content related to job ads, so we'll create new one. Here we need to set the name, introductory text, and job keywords, right? Basically you can search the job here, and your ad will look like this. So here, name of this ad is job ad 1, right? And here I'll write the introductory text, which will be demo, right? As you can see, and I have added demo, but I recommend you to add some explanatory content over here, like this one, right? This example image one. And this is how it is looking on desktop and mobile. Now here you can search the job. So I'll search here, oops, digital. So basically you can write it here directly, digital marketer, right? And after this you can hit the save ad button, and it is getting saved. It is taking a bit long time. So guys, I have did it multiple times, and I think LinkedIn is facing some issue with single job ad right now, and this ad is not getting saved right now, right? So there might be some issue. If you want to create single job ad, please check if there is any issue or not, and by the time you will be watching this video, then definitely the issue will be fixed. But right now, for the sake of this video, I'm changing the campaign type, I mean the ad type. Let's choose the another one so that I can show you, right? So let's go to the campaign which we have selected, job applicant one, right? So I'll click on edit, and I'll be now into the campaign settings again. Okay, from here I can go to the format option, right? In format option I'll go with, oops, not the spotlight one, job, right? Now I've selected the second one there, where I can add multiple job applications. Now I'll keep all the settings as it is. I'll not do anything with the campaign customizations. I've just changed the campaign type, right? I mean the ad type. Now again I need to create a new ad, and this is for the multiple uh, jobs where you will be listing, or you will be creating the ad for multiple job applications, right? I mean multiple job openings. So the headline will be like this, as you can see here: first name and the explore internal roles at, then the company name that matches your skill. So this is the options you have. Let's say you want to change the headline, you can go with this one. Basically you can go with the custom headline as well, but here are some pre-made headlines which can help you with the task. So you don't have to go with the custom headline, but it is totally up to you. And this is how it is looking, Jane. So the first name is like dynamic. Let's say if this ad appears on David's account, then the name will change into David, and then explore internal roles at Marketing Fundas Global that matches your skills. So this is how the headline looks like. So okay, headline is good. Then here the company name is Marketing Fundas Global Demo, and as you can see it exceeds the limit DEMO. So let's just remove the demo button, and this is how the ad looks like right now, right? So the company name has a limit. If the limits exceed, you need to do some tweaks in the company name. Then the image, which is your company logo, and it automatically gets picked up from your company page, so it is been done automatically. Then the call to action, right? So call to action can be careers at Marketing Fundas, which is the company name over here. Then view more, or you can go with see more jobs, then custom button also available. So all the options is front of you, and this is how this ad will look like in multiple devices, right? Basically, picture yourself, and then this, and then this, right? So this is the preview for the desktop one, and this is how the ad, basically all the things. Now just hit the save button, and this ad will automatically, I mean properly get saved, unlike the single ad one, right? So ad has been saved. Now just hit the next button. You need to review all the things, and once it's get review, basically once it's done, you just check all the things that you have done, all the things, all the customizations properly, check the billing method, and then hit the campaign launch button or launch campaign button, right? Let's say you don't want to run this campaign right now, so you can save and exit. So right now you are saved and exit, basically the campaign, everything is saved. You just need to go to the campaign again, like here it is, job applicants. You just need to click on edit and launch, and once it gets load, you can click on again launch campaign. So this is how you can create job application campaign. I hope you understood the process, and still if you have any question, query, or any kind of confusion, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Now I want to take your leave. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do so, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. And as I can see that more than 93% of the users of our viewers haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, so do subscribe the channel so that you don't miss the upcoming videos. And as I told you that we are coming up with AI series which will help you to be your 10x version of yourself, and even those AI tools, AI applications can help you to earn some extra amount, earn some extra money as well. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.